Hello, my name is Alex White, and in my presentation, I'm going to be talking about if the death penalty is equal punishment for those that have committed crimes that result in other people's deaths. So, for when people commit crimes that result in other people's deaths, um, typically when that happens and someone dies because of that act, it is an accidental case of murder. And obviously, it doesn't mean that what they did was right because someone did lose their life in the accident that was committed, meaning like they didn't intentionally kill someone in doing that. So for to give someone the death penalty for an accidental crime could be a little far depending on the crime they were committing in the first place, because no crime is obviously not right. And the crime that was committed, in quotes, the accident, will be more than likely tried for involuntary manslaughter because they didn't mean to kill a person. It just so happened that they were committing a crime and they ended up killing someone else as well. My personal opinion on this matter is, for instance, if someone kills someone, for example, trying to rob a gas station and they're in a vehicle trying to escape, I think that the death penalty could be enforced for that, just on the sole fact that they were committing a crime that was already bad and they were driving and escaping away from the scene and then killed someone else, say, for instance, T-boning them or running them over if they were walking on the sidewalk or anything like that, just a bystander, or they killed someone trying to stop them from robbing the gas station or anything along those lines. If someone unintentionally kills another human being, I think the person who killed another human being should have a fair chance in court to prove that they did not mean to commit the murder. Nonetheless, committing crime is wrong either way. So if someone ends up dead from a completely different crime in like the wrong instance, it's like a case of like the wrong place at the wrong time. If they're killed, something like that, I feel like they should definitely have a fair chance to prove to themselves that they did not mean to commit a murder. It just so happened that that happened at the wrong place at the wrong time. If someone is on trial for accidental murder, I put in quotes, I feel like giving them the death penalty is a little much if they truly did not mean to commit the killing of someone else and they can prove that in court to a judge and a jury. And if they go through a whole trial, I feel like they shouldn't be given the death penalty, but they should definitely be given manslaughter for sure. It just seems like giving them the death penalty for committing an accidental murder, which accidental murder sounds terrible, but I just feel like that they shouldn't be given the death penalty or like the electric chair or injection or anything like that. I just feel like they should definitely be given a fair chance in this.